The equity raise for our Corroboree property has now been completed and units allotted. The placement to institutional and sophisticated investors raised $12.6 million and was significantly oversubscribed. The 2 for 13 non-renounceable entitlement offer to our investors raised $22.4 million. Around 60% of our investors took up their entitlements, with the balance of units not taken up allotted to the underwriter. The settlement of the Corroboree property occurred on the 9th of October. About 10 days later, OLAM received Foreign Investment Review Board approval of the transaction. This approval was the last condition precedent before the commencement of the lease. Orchard development and irrigation design is now well underway at Corroboree. Just a reminder of the benefits that this transaction brings to the Rural Funds Group. Firstly, it is immediately earnings accretive, which will help support distributions to be paid to unit holders. It also increases our weighted average lease expiry. And thirdly, it provides good diversification for the revenue that the Rural Funds Group will earn. Our next key date for our Rural Funds Group investors will be the 31st of December, our record date for the next distribution. The fund will be ex-distribution, 29th of December, and if you would like to participate in our dividend reinvestment plan, please have your election forms to our registry, Boardroom, by the 1st of January. Also a reminder that you'll receive in February an invitation to a webinar hosted by David Bryant that will set out our half-yearly results for the fund. Rural Funds Management would like to ask all investors to lodge their email address with either the Rural Funds Management Group or with Boardroom. We'd like to stay in touch electronically. This saves money, so it's good for the whole fund. Don't forget, you can receive our general communications via email and still get your transactions and taxation statements via post. A reminder, just call our Investor Services Centre and lodge your email so that we can communicate efficiently and effectively.